Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to be just doing a quick and easy weeknight dinner. And for dinner tonight, we're having some curry chicken with some rice and some vegetables on the side. So to season my chicken, I'm going to be using some salt, olive oil, adobo, black pepper. In here I have my green seasoning, turmeric, and here I have Betapak curry powder and Chief's curry powder. Let's get right into seasoning. So first I'm gonna go in with my salt, followed by my black pepper. Next I'm gonna go in with my turmeric. Then I'm gonna do some adobo. Just gonna mix the both curry powders together. Go in with my curry powder. Next I'm going in with my green seasoning. Y'all see how good this looks? I tell you, the camera not even doing this any justice. Y'all see this? You see all the specks? Lovely. A tablespoon and a half. And now I'm going to mix everything together. Just going to massage everything together. And these are chicken drumsticks that were cut in half at the butcher. So I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap, place it in the fridge for a minimum of 1 hour. You can do it overnight, which will be best as well. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is about 2 hours later, and first I'm gonna go in with some olive oil. My heat is on medium to low. Then I'm gonna go in with my curry powder mixture. And next I'm gonna start going in with my garlic and onion. You know, garlic and onion is usually the base of all our foods when cooking. And I love the smell of just garlic and onion cooking. Now we adding in that curry flavor to it. Oh my god. Next I'm gonna go in with a seasoning pepper, or what's known as pimento pepper. And I'm gonna have these saute for a minute or two, and I'll be right back. And next I'm gonna be adding some hot water. Just about a 1/4 cup. So what it's gonna do is awaken all those seasonings that were at the bottom of the pan. And it's gonna make kind of like a paste. Now you do not have to do it like this. You can go right ahead with your chicken and then go in gradually with your water. It's up to you. But I like it to form more of a slight paste so that it will stick on the chicken a lot better. So it has thickened. My heat is still on medium, and I'm gonna start to go in with my chicken. So now that the both sides of the chicken got that beautiful color, it's time for it to be cooking inside. So I'm gonna go in with, this is the same bowl it was marinating in. I added hot water. And I'm gonna have this come to a boil. And then I'm gonna go in with my carrots, my potato, and my thyme. So I'm also gonna go in with some of my green seasoning just to add a little boost of flavor. So now I'm gonna start going in with some more black pepper. And you can also taste for salt now and adjust if necessary. So I'm gonna be putting in just a little bit of salt. I'm gonna start going in with my potato and carrot. Now these are russet potatoes. And it's 1 large carrot and 3 potatoes. Make sure every piece of potato is submerged in that gravy. Now I'm gonna go in with a few fresh sprigs of thyme. And then I'm gonna add 1 scotch bonnet pepper in the middle. Cover this up and allow it to finish boil. Okay, guys. Yeah. My curry chicken is done. I'm going to be pairing it with some rice and some broccoli, some plantain, and avocado. And that's going to be our dinner. Thanks again for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and tune in to the next video.